One sunny day in the swamp, a little boy named Timmy was playing near the water. Suddenly, he heard a splash. He looked up to see a big crocodile swimming towards him. "Oh no!" Timmy cried, but the crocodile stopped and smiled, showing his friendly teeth. "Don't be afraid," he said. "I'm Killer, but I promise I mean no harm." "Killer?" Timmy asked, still a little scared. Killer nodded and explained, "I got this name because I'm the biggest crocodile in the swamp. But I'm really very gentle." "Are you sure you won't hurt me?" Timmy asked, still cautious. Killer nodded again and offered Timmy a ride on his back. Timmy hesitated, but curiosity won over fear, and he climbed onto Killer's back. As they swam through the swamp, Killer told Timmy stories about the different creatures that lived there. Timmy laughed and asked questions, forgetting about his initial fear. When they reached the other side of the swamp, Killer brought Timmy back to where he had started. "See," said Killer. "I'm not so scary, am I?" Timmy smiled and shook his head. "No, you're not. You're my new friend, Killer." And from that day on, Timmy and Killer became the best of friends. Every day, Timmy would visit Killer in the swamp, and they would swim and play together. The other animals in the swamp were amazed by their friendship, and they learned that even the biggest and scariest creatures can be the kindest friends. And so, Killer's reputation as a scary crocodile slowly faded, and he became known as a friendly crocodile who helped a little boy find a new friend. And Timmy learned that sometimes, the creatures we fear the most can be the kindest of all.